Are you looking for the best safety razors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best safety razors that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Equinox International Straight Edge Razor. Using the Equinox International Straight Edge Razor is a timeless masterpiece for men's shaving, as it helps you remain handsome and smooth for better part of the day. It is made from fine quality stainless steel guaranteed to never tarnish or rust with use. The easy-to-open blade guard ensures you exchange each blade effortlessly and safely. Designed with comfort and stability in mind, the Equinox International Straight Edge Razor not only performs well but also offers the right holding angle to avoid discomfort. It comes with 100% satisfaction guarantee to ensure you feel confident buying and using it. At number 4, Smoothere Safety Razor Kit. Smoothere Safety Razor Kit offers a perfect shave, and it is the best of men's shaving and grooming sets. The shaving kit comes with a double-edged safety razor, 5 premium blades, and a travel case with mirror. The 5 premium blades provide the closest wet shave ever. The safety razor also has a sturdy handle and a micro-comb screw head to ensure a professional look and feel. The Smoothere Safety Razor Kit makes a perfect gift for a pro husband, dad or groom with its sleek and stylish set. At number 3, Parker SRW Straight Edge Razor. Featuring a stainless steel blade handle with excellent balance and weight, Parker SRW Straight Edge Razor offers a great shave. The end of this blade compartment has rounded exposure to reduce cuts. With snap or lock blade holder along with inserts, Parker SRW Straight Edge Razor ensures secure blade insertion. It features 100 Shark Super Stainless half blades, and it is ideal for use in a barbershop or straight razor shavers. At number 2, Parker SRB Straight Razor. This professional quality razor features a stainless steel blade handle, which is stronger than aluminum for great shaving experience. It has a snap or lock blade holder to enhance secure blade insertion and optimum performance. 5 Shark stainless half blades are specifically designed for a precise fit in barber or straight edge razors. The end of this blade compartment has rounded exposure to minimize cuts and offer safe shaving. This straight razor is perfect for barbershop use. At number 1, Classic Samurai CS102 Straight Edge Razor. Classic Samurai Straight Edge Razor is a professional straight edge razor made from genuine surgical-grade stainless steel. Its versatility makes it perfect for barbershop and personal usage. The rounded exposure found at the end of this blade compartment helps reduce cuts, and the exchangeable blade technology allows for removal of old or rusty blades. The smooth handle minimizes cuts for great shaving experience. Classic Samurai CS102 Straight Edge Razor comes in a plastic pouch to enhance protection. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.